Is Go a platform independent language or a portable language or both? Or is Go a multi-platform language? I have seen almost 7 out of 10 people get confused and fail to answer this question during Golang interviews. After watching this video till the end, you will never fail to answer it. Let's first understand what platform independence means. A programming language is said to be platform independent if you can compile the code once and run the same compiled code on any operating system. Just to memorize this concept, let's remember this as compile once and run anywhere or Quora. In case of Golang, for each target platform, that is for each operating system, we need to generate separate platform-specific binaries of the same Go program. For example, the go build command shown on the screen generates a Go binary named bin/app-amd64.exe from the program named app.go. This Go binary bin/app-amd64.exe here is intended to run on Windows OS with AMD64 system architecture. As you might have guessed, the environmental variable GoOS here denotes the target operating system and GoArch denotes the system architecture. Hence, always remember that Go is not a platform-independent language. But as we can generate Go executables to run on multiple target platforms, it is definitely a multi-platform language. If you want to know all the operating systems and system architectures supported by the Go compiler, please check out the link below in the description. Now let us understand what portability means. Portability refers to how easily one can take the same program and run it on the target platform or platforms. Hence, unlike platform independence, portability is not a black and white term. It's a pretty subjective term. You can only measure a degree of portability of a programming language by comparing it with some other programming language. For example, the Go binary, which has been compiled for a specific target platform, requires no other additional tools to run on that platform. Whereas the compiled Java code or bytecode cannot run on any target platform without JVM or Java Virtual Machine, a tool that is not a part of compiled Java code. Thus, Golang is better portable than Java.